Oh, you're fine. Come here. Come here. You got company.
No way.
Say hey to your boys. Two. You got brothers.
Are you an only child?
Yeah.
You are? No, you're not any longer an only child. These are your new siblings.
Oh, look. Look at them shaking. It's so cute.
Hi, sweetie. Hi there.
Look how soft they are.
Hi there.
They're gonna be lickers too, ain't they?
Yeah. Well,
Our
go,
old
ahead.
pug, he was a licker. He liked to lick all the time.
Well, go ahead and each of you grab one so you can.
I gotta go upstairs and get my chip.
Oh, okay. Katie, can you hold both of them? Be careful now. Make sure you got them.
Look at Daddy.
You surprised?
Yeah.
Did we pull off a good surprise?
You had no idea what I was doing, did you?